Hey guys, it's been a hell of a couple of weeks, hasn't it? Whole world, well, at least the whole nation. We've rough times, terrible shit. Uh, as a lot of you know, I'm a teacher, and so school shootings hit home pretty hard. Uh, yeah, there's a lot to say there, but well, it's a touchy subject. Let me just say this: my first year teaching, I learned firsthand. As a teacher, the kids in my room are my responsibility. When they're there, they're my kids. And as a teacher, I'm ready to die for my kids. I understand that might mean that my children grew up without me because I died trying to save other kids. I came to terms with that. That was part of me becoming a teacher. I came to terms with that. Not everyone has. Not everyone ever will. No one should have to. Freaking teacher. Not my job to die for other people, but it is my job to die for other people. Uh, so yeah, it's been a hell of a couple of weeks, but this is supposed to be a happy post, happy uplifting. Um, Go make something. God, it's amazing. It's been a stressful couple of weeks. It's been a tough couple of weeks. And I tell you, I just spent, I don't know, I've been out here a couple hours. Spent a couple hours out in the garage. Earlier, you probably can't see it, but I got about another 70 square feet of my roof insulated, which is great. But I've spent the last probably 2, 3 hours at the lathe here and made that. I'm not going to tell you what it is because I don't want to spoil the surprise for the person that it's for. But also made a couple little containers. Here's one. Pretty happy with this one. Pretty happy with the other one too. But man, I tell you, go make something. Doesn't matter what it is. Doesn't matter if it's good. Doesn't matter if you like it. Doesn't matter if anyone likes it. Just go make something. Use your hands. Do something. It's amazing how cathartic it is. It's amazing how good it feels. Just go out, use whatever tools you have. It doesn't matter if that's a 50-cent hammer and some 2-cent nails and a box cutter. It doesn't matter. I don't care. Whatever tools you got, go out, use them, and make something. It feels good. It's a de-stressor. It makes you feel good. So wherever you're at, whatever you've got, just go make something. Cheers.